as a way for me to say sorry. I'll give away something, so stick to the end and maybe you might be a winner.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
You know, a lot has happened since we last talked. It's been over like a month or two, yeah, something like that. Yeah, but you know, it's better late than never. So in my last video I had promised that I will test drive this thing for 1 week and then come back and give you what I found out. Yeah, so I did that, but the only problem was I didn't record the video and I didn't upload it because of, you know, there was so many stuff going on. This is the video if you want to know what I found out, you know, when I tried this paid to click ads platform. There are a couple of things. This is gonna be short, by the way. So before we get into this, of course, make sure you click that subscribe button. Let's push, you know, as you can see, we're almost 1,000. Yeah, so you know what, kindly click that subscribe button, smash it, I don't know, just punch it, and of course let's get to 1,000. Let's grow together. And also I will give out something for you guys, you know, just saying sorry. Have been away for long, as a way for me to say sorry. I'll give away something, so stick to the end and maybe you might be a winner. So the first thing is this platform, as if you haven't watched the video, just click in this pop-up and then of course just go watch it and then come back here. Now, so this platform in a nutshell is a platform where you can make money by clicking ads. Now there are some things that I found out, yeah. Number one is that as you can see, the referrals, so as much as you make money by clicking ads, you can also make money by referring people. As you can see here, I have like 95 referrals. Turns out you only have up to 100 referrals. Yeah, so I'm remaining with only 5. So after that, I don't know what happened. Yeah, I guess I will have to see. I'll have to wait and see what happens if I reach 100. As you can see here, direct referrals, I only have you are allowed to refer up to 100 people. Yeah, so once you reach that, I don't know what happens. Yeah, I don't know what happens. And as you can see, all my referrals are there. 23 of them are clicking. So the referral earnings, so I've made this amount. So thank you guys for clicking on my links. I appreciate that. So there are two types of referrals. There is this one which is direct. See, these are the ones who clicked my links, and then there are rented referrals. So these are referrals. These are guys who sign up to the platform, but they were not referred by anyone. So you can rent them as your referrals. As you can see, I have 0. I'm not intending on renting them. To get started, to click start making money, of course, just come to earn money and then click on view advertisements. Then of course you have to validate this, so just click I'm not robot and then give me access, because I'm not a robot, so just give me access. Come on. Something else also here, yeah. The first thing is that you have to click at least 4 more advertisement 1 clicks from your referrals tomorrow. What this means is that if I don't click ads now or today, I won't be making anything from these guys I refer. So that's why I have more referrals, but I'm making less. It's because I haven't been active on this platform actually. So you have to come. So that means that you have to always be coming back to this platform. I hate that. I hate something that feels like work. Not that I'm lazy. I don't know what you can call that, but no. I don't want that. Yeah, so I don't want to be coming back always here. That's what was the need for referrals anyway. The referrals, they're supposed to be making me money while I sleep, yeah? So that should be the idea. But I guess these ATI clicks guys have different opinion. Well, so it means that if I don't click ads now, my referrals won't be earning me anything, which is which defeats the reason for, and that's something that put me off from this platform. That's the first one. We'll talk about more later. Now, so there are 3 types of ads here. There's micro ads, there's standard ads, and then there's the daily ads. Now, among these 3, these ones earns you less. As you can see, it earns you 0.00 whatever this amount is. So these ones earns you less. Micro ads earns you less, and daily ads earns you the tab. If I was to rate the 3, this ones is the least, this is the second, and then this is the first. So this earns you more, but the duration takes more. As you can see, this is 30 seconds. So which means when I click here, when I click that ad, I have to wait for 30 seconds on that page to be eligible for that earning, to be eligible to earn. So let's wait and see how it goes. Then of course, after 30 seconds, you just solve this captcha. So make sure you solve this. So click the upside down, you look for the one that's upside down. This could be it. And thank you for watching. You've been credited, so just close it. And if I refresh, this balance should go up. And yes, as you can see, it's now 0.13 and it was 0.12. So that gives you more. This one gives you more than the other ones. Even though this one earns you more, they are less. So this one earns you average. In your case, maybe you will need to click at least 4. There's some, I think it's always like at least 3 ads before you start earning. So what I would suggest is, what I always do is, I click these ones less. So just click these, exhaust those ones, and then maybe 1 here. Don't touch these ones first. So once you've reached that requirement of 4 ads, then you can now continue earning. Something else that I noticed is that there are very many options to earn instead of just clicking ads. There's this one known as ad gates. So you can just find it by clicking earn money and come to ad gate. So this is where you complete some tasks and make some money. So I tried it once and I made like 80 shillings. That's like 0.8 cents in like 2 minutes. So I thought that was really cool. As you can see here, there is this quiz. It's a really simple quiz, end of year 2020 quiz. So can you remember everything that happened this year? 2020 of course. So get 100% of this quiz, and then you make what? $0.8 dollars. That's like 80 shillings in like 1 minute by just answering questions. Also, there is this one. If you know something about, if you've been playing Minecraft, for example, you can answer this and earn like 280 shillings in 1 minute by just answering questions about Minecraft. There's also this one where you get paid to promote. So you act as a publisher. So you access this by going to paid to promote. What this means is, you take this link. So here is your PTP link. So take this link, promote it somewhere, promote it whatever, I don't know. And when you promote it, as people come and sign up to this platform, or as people come and watch ads through this link, of course, as you can see here, for the first unique, you make this. The second non-unique, you make that. So, and then you can track your earnings here. So let's see what happens if I copy this and head over to incognito and finally explore everything. So as you can see, it's saying here it's a non-referrer. So I don't know what that means. I must be referred to this page, for it to work. So make sure that you're not promoting yourself, or you're not referring. You're not promoting it to yourself. Make sure it's really unique. So that's it. I guess this guys logs in your IP address or whatever of your browser, and then of course there is that they are able to know that it's still you. Something like that. Now, so that's something else you can consider. Just copy the link and promote whatever you are, and then you can track your earnings here. Something else I should talk about is these offers. As you can see, there's this survey. Your survey router, you make 40 cents. So complete a survey to get rewarded. You can complete it multiple times a day. Yeah, so just do that. Yeah, so just go to earn and then come to lootably daily offers, and then you can make money by completing surveys. And something else also is that you can upgrade your account. So what this means is that when you upgrade, you make more money per click. So you can upgrade your account. So you can either use what you've earned, which is this, or you can use this. So you can convert this into dollars, into points, into some money that you can use to upgrade your account. Now guys, this is what I was telling you about. Now, as you can see, as you've seen here in my account, that I'm almost exhausting. Yeah, I'm almost exhausting, and I don't really and of course I want to as a way for me to say sorry for going away for long. I want to swap my link with your link. What you need to do, if you watched this far, comment anything about this video, and of course be nice. Don't be rude. Be nice. Comment something nice about this video below, and I'll pick randomly, and I will get your link and I'll swap it where I always promote my links. So I'll promote your link for you. So that's it, guys. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, I'm Kevin, and make sure you click that subscribe button. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video.
First, I wanna feel again. I need a couple friends.